Howdy, I'm back and we've got some crypto news. It's been a while. Let's have a look at what's going on with the markets. So, as you can see, it is just crazy. It's just been, everything's been smashed. Everything's red. We're looking at here, look, we're looking at the last 30 days. Some of these, Bitcoin's only down 3% in the last 30 days. That's interesting. But have a look at the alts. They are just being hammered. So, if you've been holding some of these alts, you're like, maybe you shouldn't be looking at your portfolio or something. I don't know. All right, so Bitcoin's at 6238. Ethereum, oh my goodness, 46% down, $170. Ripple's at 25 cents. Bitcoin Cash 413. EOS $4.83. Stellar at 18, only 19 cents. Litecoin at 47.49. Tether around $1. Monero 97.36, Cardano at 6 cents, and Dash at $175. So let's have a look at what's going on. In the last 30 days, let's have a look at the ones that did well. Monero up 1%, Dash up 5%, DogeCoin 165, and VeChain 30%. I'll just stop at the 20. So I want to focus on DogeCoin. I want to show you something interesting about DogeCoin. So if you don't know about DogeCoin, cute little doggy, and basically it's a whole meme. If you've been on the internet for a while, you would have seen the meme for the DogeCoin. And essentially, it's all about having fun. And they've been going, this is a big community, big community. So mainly the community is on Reddit. They've got a huge page on Reddit. You can check that out. So they've been around for some time. Let's have a look at what's going on. So this is from like 14th of August through to 11th of September. We're looking at what is it, 0.002 cents. So it's, let's measure that in satoshis. I don't know if we can do that. Let me have a look. No, don't know. No idea. Don't know what that is in satoshis, but it's low. All right, so it's less than 1 cent. And then basically we've hit the 30th of August, and we're like before this, our volume was 100,000 a day sort of thing, and then all of a sudden 2 million, like really big pump there, and then again another couple of million. And then you're seeing there's 2 million, 3 million, 4 million. This is how much the volume is going into it. And literally on that day there's 7 million. No, take that back, 14 million. Then went to 10 million. So huge volumes going through this period of time. We had a bit of a drop off there, but as you can see, it's now back up to where it was before. We had a new high. Now what's interesting about the Dogecoin is it's like, people sort of, I really don't know anyone that actually uses it for anything, but hey, there's a huge community that uses it. But let's have a quick look at Dogecoin. This is on the Poloniex daily. Let's have a look at when it pumped. So this was the 2nd of April 2017. We had a huge pump there before it even went higher. There was a pump on the 21st of November of last year, and this latest pump being now on the 30th of the 8th. Now what's interesting about Dogecoin is I heard some time ago it was like an indicator for the whole market and what's going to happen next, and I sort of laughed at that a lot, but I can see why. Here's what's going on. So before, this is what happened. This is the date, the same date here, the 3rd of the 4th, 2017. This was when Dogecoin hit its first spike. So basically it started to really move on that day. And Bitcoin, this was the day right there, Bitcoin was actually down. And directly after that, Bitcoin went gangbusters, okay? So that was interesting. So if sort of foretold in the next month or so that Bitcoin went really well, and went, as we know, right up to Christmas time, and basically went through May through to Christmas, where Bitcoin really went well through 20k. But the next one, the next time was this one here. which was the 22nd of November. We have a look at it again. And the next one after that, this is today where it is right now, so Bitcoin's low. And then we have a look at DogeCoin right now. And we're seeing the 29th of the 8th. So right now, let's have a look. This is where we are with Bitcoin, and this is where we are with DogeCoin. You know, what does DogeCoin know that we don't know? This could be before the market moves. Don't know, but it's just interesting to see what happened in the past, the last 2 times that it happened. I haven't gone back any further to to see what's happened, but the last 2 times Dogecoin has moved, Bitcoin has moved literally within a month after that. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. Yeah, I'd like to get your thoughts on it. What do you think? Do you think Dogecoin, this is just like a pump and dump, and we're not going to see Bitcoin do any moves? Or do you think we're going to see in the next month, do you think we're going to see Bitcoin start to move up? It is interesting. We are seeing some W patterns here at the bottom. So basically, if you're not sure what the W patterns are, I'll just draw a little thing here. So basically, we're seeing this shape here, which is down and then up and then down and up. And when you start to see W's at the bottom, like basically the bottoms, this is when you start to see reversals happening. And it does take a while, especially over time, you need to see this. But basically, once you see this W, this is just a pattern. And essentially, if you follow the patterns, it looks like we're going to see some sort of breakout here. Don't know if it's going to happen, but it'll be interesting to see. So what are your thoughts? So I want to hear your thoughts. If you think Bitcoin's going to move up because Doge has moved up, put it in the comments below. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And if you like what I got, hit the like, and I will see you soon. Okay, bye.